Hello friends, I pick up some of my vegetables produced in my garden to bring in our road trip because we will be in the road trip for 5 days. So this is our food that I picked from my garden. I'll show you. I'll get some perilla leaves. I have this salad from beetroot leaves, this lettuce, this silver beet, have these chives, and these flowers came from my plant. The birds just cut them, and they are on the floor already. And this is my papaya, and this is my strawberry. So these are my produce that I'll be taking some of them. And I have, what else? Hang on. And I have this banana from my garden. So we will be bringing these two banana because they will ripe along the way. And some of those fruits. And this is the battery that lithium battery that we are charging to bring for our lights and everything that we need charging. This is the clothes. My clothes is still in the upstairs. So yeah, it's bringing all these things, electrical things. That is our solar. OMG. I enjoy very much our road trips. I enjoy cooking on the road, in wherever we go, in the barbecue area, and making salad, whatever. So we bought some sausages too. But there's always shops there. We go also in the restaurants when we go there in the clubs. But 5 days, so we need some. Okay, that's it for today, friends. I'll post lots of happenings. Okay, thank you. Bye.